Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect TradingView to MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so TradingView does not have a direct integration with MetaTrader 4 or 5, but you can connect them using a broker that supports both platforms or by using third-party bridging tools. Here's how you can do it. So what we want to do is go to tradingview.com and then click on the little symbol there, and then it'll say connect for our trusted brokers, but we need to make sure we clicked on trading panel here. So now from here, we want to scroll down to the bottom of this page and it says need a broker. Top trading is one decision away. So go ahead and click on open account. And now this is going to open up a new account. And now from here, we just choose which account we'd like to open up. So you can open up a Forex account, OKX, BingX, Think Markets, IC Markets, etc. Just simply open an account and go through and sign up with whichever company you want to use. And then from there, you just simply connect to TradingView, log in to TradingView, go to Trading Panel, and then select your broker. And then after linking your broker to TradingView, your trades will be executed on MT4, MT5.